birthday cake. Let's see. Wow. Ada.
You want some birthday cake?
Birthday cake.
Let's see what we have. We have some leftover cake from the life group meeting. This is not quite birthday cake. Here you go. Daddy, will you get him some? Just give him the whole thing.
Here we go.
You think this is going to taste good?
Good.
What do you say? Now, after you get it, what do you say?
Thank you.
Do we need to sing to you?
Ready to sing?
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Can you sing?
Happy birthday to
Pigeon.
Benjamin. Happy birthday to
Can
you.
you say that?
It was Nana's birthday yesterday.
Nana.